Welcome to the Toronto Catholic District School Board, one of the largest publicly funded Catholic school boards in the world. We have a long and distinguished history of providing excellence in Catholic education for over 175 years. We've provided the educational foundation for millions of students across the Greater Toronto Area. Our geographic borders stretch from Steeles Avenue in the north, to Lake Ontario in the south, to Port Union in the east, and all the way past Highway 427 in the west. We all know the expression, "It takes a village to raise a child." Well, our village takes a large and a varied workforce of over 14,000 employees to serve the needs of 90,000 students in almost 200 schools. The City of Toronto has evolved over the years, and the TCDSB has grown as an integral part of this evolution by attracting, hiring, and retaining employees that reflect the rich diversity of Toronto. Our team continually evolves to meet the diverse needs of our students and communities. Valued employees are at the heart of our inclusive learning community, and we are committed to the values of equity, diversity, and inclusion. We are currently seeking dedicated professionals to help support and advance the TCDSB's mission of an inclusive learning community rooted in the love of Christ. A community which educates students to grow in grace and knowledge and to lead lives of faith, hope, and charity. We regularly recruit a vast range of employees to help ensure the success of all of our students. From regular and specialty teachers to French teachers, early childhood educators, educational assistants, caretakers, designated early childhood educators, school secretaries, library technicians, lunchtime supervisions, international language instructors. The TCDSB also employs psychologists, psychoeducational consultants, speech pathologists, and social workers, as well as professional staffs for departments in business services, IT, accounting, finance, human resources, research, and communications. If you're interested, I hope you'll take the time to review the many career opportunities that we have to offer. We hope to hear from you.